Apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy. People have used it for centuries in cooking and medicine. Apple cider vinegar has a various healthful properties including antimicrobial and antioxidant effects. Let us understand some unbelievable benefits of ACV. 1. Helps control blood sugar. The acetic acid in vinegar appears to block enzymes that help you digest starch, resulting in smaller blood sugar response after starchy meals such as a pasta or bread. To incorporate apple cider vinegar in your meals, try adding a splash to salads, marinades, vinaigrettes, and sauces. 2. Weight loss. Proponents of apple cider vinegar claims that it has a numerous health benefits and that drinking a small amount or taking a supplement before meals helps curb appetite and burn fat. The acetic acid present in it is known to reduce belly fat and further suppress body fat buildup. 3. Clears acne and pimple. It has been shown to be effective in inhibiting bacterial growth and destroying bacterial biofilms. Based on its antimicrobial properties, apple cider vinegar may help to reduce acne breakouts when used as a part of daily skincare routine. 4. Alleviates the pain of a sore throat. Vinegar is acidic and can kill bacteria in the throat and also coat and soothe a sore throat. It may also loosen phlegm that may be irritating the throat. Use a gargle. Mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with 8 ounces of water. 5. Eases heartburn and indigestion. Using apple cider vinegar to relieve acid reflux symptoms. This home remedy helps balance your stomach pH by neutralizing stomach acid. It's generally accepted as a safe to consume a small amount of apple cider vinegar diluted with water. 6. Helps relieve itching, irritation, and minor sunburn. Apple cider vinegar has antiseptic, antifungal, and antibacterial properties that help relieve dry skin and itching. Applying a vinegar solution to sunburned skin is tried and true sunburn remedy. A natural astringent, apple cider vinegar soothes the pain and speed up the healing process.